Guten Tag. Wie man online Geld verdient. How do you use nothing but a computer to make boatloads of cash? How can you use just a computer to make lots of money online without doing sales, without buying products, without having to do shipping, without having to do consulting, and without having an audience? Now, I would like to invite you to a free training where I'll be showing you step by step how you can use nothing but a computer to make massive amounts of money online. This is completely legal. And this method, I'm going to show you everything, is earning me over $10,000 per day. This is the amount of money I earn every single day running my online business. Come here, come here. We can see here, these are my earnings right here. So if we scroll down, we can see last month I earned over $339,000. This month, actual earnings, aktuelle Verkauf, $299,000. And again, this is just one of my accounts. Every single day, I'm making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Now, in this free training, I'm going to show you how you too have been lied to by the universities and the education system about how to make money. You have been lied to about how you can actually earn money. You've been turned into slaves. You've been shackled up, not physically, but in your mind. And that is the reason you will never get freedom. This will get you freedom. If you understand how to use a computer correctly, you can turn this to make massive amounts of money. But you need to use a proven system. Now, in this training that you can sign up for, there should be a link somewhere on this page. You are going to be given the ability to register for a free training where I will show you exactly how you can earn money online and how this system works. Just think, if you're even able to earn 1% of what I am making, wouldn't that be life-changing? So I'll see you on the training. Sign up. There should be links. This is limited time and limited availability. See you soon.